Hey friends, if your monitor has a yellow tint, then most probably it is an issue with night light, or it could be an issue with the monitor itself. We will proceed accordingly. Search for night light in the Windows search bar and then go to night light and click on turn off now. Okay, that is it. It will solve the problem in 90% of the cases. But if it doesn't, then right click on the start button and then select settings. Go to the system tab, select display in the right pane. Okay, now you will have to scroll down a little and then select graphics. Okay, under graphics settings, you will have to click on this option which is advanced graphics settings. Now disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Also expand color profile and make sure that the correct monitor is selected, because see, here's the thing, these settings are different for different monitors, so you have to change it accordingly. As for this option here which says display color calibration, click on calibrate display. Okay, and lastly you can update the graphics card driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager, and then you can expand this list for display adapters. Right click on it and select update drivers and update it. Right click on it and select update drivers and update it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.